What do you do when you have to get out the door quickly looking chic and fabulous? We have an event to attend, whether it's a dinner, a party, or whatever. The next thing we know, we have no time to get ready and we need to head out the door 5 minutes ago. I've been a working pro makeup artist for over 12 years, and I'm going to show you some steps I've learned to get ready in a hurry, so you can walk out the door looking chic from head to toe. And stay tuned to see my final tip that really helps if you're short on time. Step 1, my hair is going into a bun. A bun is key because if you're in a hurry, you don't have time to fully wash and style your hair, right? I know I don't. Now, depending on where my hair and my curls are during the week, my curly haired girls will definitely feel me on this. Depends on what kind of bun I'm going to do. Now, since my curls are pretty much intact, at least on the lower part of my hair, I'm rolling with a high bun and I'm just going to embrace the mess and embrace the curls. Now, if I didn't really have any curl pattern and my hair was more on the straighter side, I would probably pull it back low like this and tuck it all in for a clean low bun. I've already refreshed my curls with Not Your Mother's Refreshing Curl Talk Foam. This is great because it refreshes second day or third day curls if you're like me, and it helps to give the hair a little bit of grip, which is great if you're putting it up like I am. Now, this is probably my holy grail hair product because it eliminates frizz. I also love to use it when I'm putting my hair up because it helps to smooth everything. It's Kevin Murphy Easy Rider. It's like a pomade. I have some in here. I'm just gonna take about that much on my finger and then I'm gonna work it into my palms, and you can see it kind of turns white. What I like to do is I like to work it until it goes clear. So it takes a second. There we go. And then I like to run it through. I'm gonna flip my hair over, gather all my hair. So I'm just gonna, this is definitely something I would do if I was running late. I'm gonna take a little bit of the TG bedhead spray, hairspray. I guess some people think it's sacrilege to use hairspray on curly hair. I use hairspray all the time. It helps with frizz, helps keep my hair in place. Whether I'm wearing it up or I'm wearing it down, doesn't matter. Moving on to step 2, minimal face makeup. At this point, I don't have time for my full brow routine, so we're just gonna go with sunscreen, concealer where needed, and bronzer. Starting with sunscreen from Naturium. Make sure you get enough on your hands. Just gonna rub it in. Again, we can't be too precious about this because we are in a hurry. Down the neck, don't forget the ears, behind the ears. It devastates me to not have enough time to do my brows, but when you're in a hurry, you gotta pick and choose. For concealer, I'm using the Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. This is new to me personally. I have the shades 5.5 and 575. I'm going to mix them. Just gonna put both of them in the back of my hand. This is a Real Techniques brush. I'm not sure which one because the label is rubbed off. So I'm just gonna take it back of my hand and then just conceal where needed quickly. This is a really light concealer. It's one of the things I really love about it. And then I'm gonna grab a Cassette foundation brush and buff out that concealer. Again, just hitting the spots that we really need. For me, it's the center of the face. Under the eyes, the nose, the chin, a little on the forehead. And then we can kind of stretch it onto the cheeks. And because I'm blind, I gotta check it in the little mirror too. For bronzer, we're going in with my favorite. This is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. I do like to use it as bronzer as well. It's easy for me to use and I can slap it on pretty quickly, which is what we're trying to do here, right? So I'm gonna hit the spots where the sun would naturally hit me, top of the forehead, cheeks, top of the nose, round it out. And I'm gonna grab my foundation brush and just buff that out. Make sure we're not super streaky, especially since we're putting on makeup in a hurry. Make sure everything is blended. So step 3, a colorful lip. This could be a bright pink or red or even a deeper color for fall. Either way, if you put a bold lip on, you can get away with less makeup. Trust me. I'm gonna take the brush that we used before and pick up some of the remaining concealer on my hand and just dust it over my lips to cancel them out, get them ready for lipstick. Today I'm gonna go with a bright pink because that's just how I'm feeling, and I'm going to use Lisa Eldridge's Velvet Carnival. Look at that. And I'm gonna clean up the lipstick with this Urban Decay lip liner. Step 4 is outfit. As you can see, you can't ever really go wrong with a basic white tee and some blue jeans. Top it off with a blazer. I have my hoop earrings on and all of my jewelry, my necklace. Add a cute pair of shoes, whether they're heels or flats. 99% of the time, I'm gonna say flats. and that's what I'm wearing right now, and they just happen to be the same color as my lipstick. I will link outfit details below, but for me personally, especially when I'm in a pinch and I'm looking for a cute outfit in a hurry, basics are always best for me. Blue jeans, white shirt, blazer, hoop earrings. Can't go wrong. Step 5. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm not wearing any mascara or brows. And that's because there are times I don't have the time to put them on or the time to let them dry or fully draw them out the way I normally like to do. So that's where this final tip comes in. Put on a pair of sunglasses. These are great for any kind of daytime event. And if your event's at night, just channel your inner Anna Wintour and rock them indoors. If you like this video, please check out my other makeup tips here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a brand new tutorial.